All right, it's Thursday, February 16th. Just a daily review. Try to do these every day. For the NASDAQ 100. Here we go. So today was Thursday. We had PPI, which is a pretty big volatile news event. So I'd be looking to trade after this. This happened at 8:30. I'm looking at markets around 9:30. So let's see. So if I look at the daily, I can see yesterday we hit this rejection block. And now we're basically saying, will we break or bounce from this level? Looks like we bounced, so I think our next draw would be probably this liquidity here, this rejection block on the daily. So if I go to the H4, this was PPI happened in here. We got a rejection, we got a bounce here. Price came down, broke structure here. I say it broke structure because it left this gap. It left these gaps. So this one and this one. So that gave me that, and it rejected off of a daily PDA. So our bias is bearish, so we're looking for sales. So price broke here, came back up, and we keyed off of this. There's a key level here, this old high. And so if I go to an H1, this also lined up with a fair value here. So external, internal, external. Expansion, retracement, expansion. So, like I said, this was PPI happened in here. And normally when these big range moves happen before 9:30, the play will come in the PM session, which is 1:30 to 4:30. So with that being said, our next targets would have been here and here and here. So as you can see, we did get that. We got this at 3 o'clock. So price retraced up and made use of this, which I'm happy because if this didn't tap this I think would have had a lower probability, but since it did, it's already been used. And then we went up in here. So let's see, 115. If we look at midnight, and if we look at 8:30, see price came right at 8:30 for the sell-off. Move this. So I would have been looking see 12. 130. 130. Well, this big move happened here, so I knew we'd be likely to get a retrace in this. I'd want to wait to the PM trend. That's what we got. So if we go to the M5, 3. So price went up and hit that level, came down. The fair value got right there. We broke through this one. This had no reaction. So tested it, retested it, even came through and left a little gap here, which is another good indication after a break in structure. So this getting broken, like smashed through, was a great. The fair value gap here. If I had a sale, stops there. And our first target would have been here. What a nice trade, very nice trade. I missed it because I thought the H4 would give an institutional, give a test of the fair value gap, but it didn't. It just tested the old high. But anyways, so can't catch them all, but it's good study and good practice. And that's how we do that. Didn't even have to go to the 3 minute or 1 minute. And that's it.